thank you so much for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like, comment and share. So today I'm going to show you guys what I've bought from drugstores, and I'm going to unbox my delivery from Takealot. So let's work. So I bought this. It's a Fit Me Romantic Lemon matte plus polish primer. It was 20 rand from Chinese shop. And then I got this mascara from Dischem. It was 45 rand. It's a disco fake lashes curling mascara, lash pro. It's a curling mascara. I wonder why it is a the lashes taka di be jwang, di be curly obviously. Yeah, it la bona pele. And then I got this. It's a concealer from Imani of Nobel. This was from Chinese store. It was 30 rand. It's a concealer. And I got this setting spray. It is Smudge Fixing spray for polished, long-lasting makeup wear. It was 60 rand Catholics. And I got this concealer pen, 15 rand taka shopong ya China. This I don't even know ke tlo etsang ka yona, but ke tla etsa research. And then I got this LA Girl Pro Concealer from Dischem. This was 45 rand. This is so small. Yo, like like it's, but 45 rand reasonable. And then the moment I want to unbox, I want to see what's inside. Ke rekile ntho ka mona, ke odile ntho, my brush and sponge. If o shebelletse video ya ka ya ke tlo posta mo le share le tlo bona lona hore ya ke mathata fela videoing e, because like I cannot product tse ngata, and the what you call this, the eyeshadows tsaka yo disaster. Ke disaster, and I blame my brush, so I had to order like brushes. So yeah, let's check. How is the packaging inside? And this is oh, these are cute, guys. What was sponge? 5 piece foundation blending makeup sponge. This was 75 rand. So this was 75 rand from Takealot. Very cheap, very reasonable. So I think like one. This is nice, even the packaging in there. This is it. 75 rand, 85 yo. Matter guys, banana. Maybe this is for contour. Yeah. It's even to you go and we have this shape. And okay. like them. These are the brushes. Oh. I like this bag. It's a little bit interesting. Like, yeah, it's nice. Even the color, it's sweet. Oh yeah, the sponge is in 75 rand, but this was 114 rand. Very cheap. And then we got here are the brushes. How many? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And this, I think this is for eyebrows. What is this for? I don't know. I don't know. I get it. Maybe yeah. I think these are for eyebrows. Yeah, for eyeshadows. This mara manyane mara price ya teng e dumelana le yona. Maybe this is for for highlighter and for blush. Mara manyane for what? Foundation. Kare ke tsa ho bapala. Mara mat. Yeah, this is it. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. Please subscribe, like, comment, give me more tips on how to improve my videos, and yeah, thank you. Bye.